Hi traders, and welcome to today's ACY Securities Forex Market Analysis. My name is Duncan Cooper and I will be your host. Today we'll be focusing on the dollar index and the euro to US dollar. So first we'll look at the news items coming out for the week, and then we'll have a look at the charts. Hi traders, just want to take you through the news items that could affect the euro dollar this week, the pair I'm reviewing, so let's get through it. These times are Queensland time, my time. So moving into the evening of Tuesday, 11:15 PM, we've got the US FOMC member Messer speaks. Then moving into midnight on Wednesday for the US, the JOLTS job openings. 1 AM in the morning for the euro, we've got the ECB President Lagarde speaks. And then later into Wednesday evening, 10:15 PM for the US, we've got the ADP non-farm employment change figures. Moving into Thursday, on the midnight for the US, we've got the ISM Services PMI. Minor item on Thursday, 9:30 PM for the Euro, ECB Monetary Policy Meeting Accounts. And then the big one for the week, moving into Friday, 10:30 PM for the US, we've got the average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and the unemployment rate. So those are the items that could affect the Euro US dollar through the course of the week, so take note of those. With that in mind, let's get into the charts. Okay, first up, just want to look at the dollar index and its position. So the monthly chart, we're definitely in an uptrend, a little bit overextended. If I squash this in, over the major range here, we are above the 79% retracement. We've more recently moved above this resistance level at 111.31. So of course, we've got the major high up here, 121.02. Can the dollar index get up to that height? This is very much overextended, so it may be due a correction, but that being said, we might get a weekly correction, but I don't know whether we can get a monthly correction at the moment. On the weekly chart, we put in a negative week last week and we're already having a down week, so we may be pulling back to the last weekly top, approximately 110.76, but that's still in an uptrend, high tops and bottoms, just having a bit of a correction. And that top area I'm just discussing is this day chart top here. So maybe we're going to have a bit more of a pullback this week to this top, and I'm going to show you the inverse look of this on the euro dollar, but we may well just be pulling back to the 62% level or the 79% level, back to old resistance becoming support. That tops at 110.80. So bear in mind the structure of the euro dollar, it's still in an uptrend, it's just having a corrective pullback on the weekly there at the moment and the daily. Alright, so that corrective pullback should be seeing on the euro dollar, which I'm sure it is when we get there. So let's get into the euro dollar. Alright, first up on the monthly, continued downtrend. Last month we tested 95.99. That's an old monthly area of support back in time. If you squash your chart in, you'll find it. And resistance is at 101.18, another old area of support broken from back in time. So just in between those two areas of support and resistance, I'm just expecting a little bit of a cycle up. We'll be able to see that on the lower time frame. So trend is down. We may have a little bit of a bounce through the course of the month back to an old level of broken support. So trend down on the monthly. Let's drop down to the weekly. Alright traders, on the weekly chart, it's in a continued downtrend. We've got lower tops and bottoms here, lower top to further lower bottom, just expecting maybe another lower top will come in. Looking for price action to come up and retest weekly resistance now at 99.04 to 99.52, that area there. Price to move back into that area. Does it rally, hold and fail for the next move down? We've got weekly support down here from back in time at 97.08 and 96.91. So having a rally at the moment, haven't quite had a week up, but we did show a reversal candle last week, so I'm expecting that we will potentially move up and retest 99.04 to 99.52. Alright, let's just drop down to the daily. Alright traders, on to the day chart. Now the trend is down on the day chart, lower top to a lower bottom. We're having a corrective rally back up, and I've got my support level here at 95.36, day support, and day resistance here at 98.64. Now I'm looking for price to move up to the 99.04 to 99.52 area, weekly resistance, but price could stop at 98.64. You just have to monitor. But drawing a fib in from that high to low, what I can see is at the 62% level is at 99.44, just ahead of 99.52 weekly resistance. So that's the area really that I'm focusing on, in between 99.04 and 99.52. Can price complete its rally in this area, hold and fail for the next move down? So I'm going to be watching that area for failure for the next move down, to move down and retest the broken level of monthly support that we broke through last month, 95.99, and can we move below that level and trade below the daily level of support at 95.35. So EURUSD at the moment is in a corrective phase. As I say, I'm watching between 99.04 and 99.52 the weekly resistance area. Can price rally into the area, hold and fail for the next move down, and come down and re-challenge 95.99 monthly support. Alright traders, that's my analysis for today. Have a great trading week. Look forward to seeing you next time.
Are you looking to improve your trading? Join Duncan Cooper, Senior Market Strategist and Trading Mentor at ACY Securities, as he shares his knowledge on the global Forex markets. The upcoming webinars for this week: 4th of October, Forex Trading Live Market Analysis. During this webinar, Duncan will review 12 currency pairs, determine the key support and resistance trading levels for the week ahead, discuss his favorite risk to reward trading opportunities, and answer your trading questions. 5th of October, a review of the recent Forex trading patterns, top trading setups. In this webinar, Duncan will review the market structure and the trading patterns that set up during the previous month. He will cover the 79% fib retracement, head and shoulders, double top and double bottom, and range trade patterns. 6th of October, live Forex market review, identifying high probability trading levels. Follow the link below for a full schedule and join for free.